Okay, so we're gonna do our best bird impersonation. And we're gonna start with Lincoln. What's your best bird impersonation?
Cheese.
That's it? Trace.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Alright, uh-oh. What's Nolan gonna do?
Joy!
Oh. Oh. That's a chicken. Now we got some flapping going on.
Joy!
Okay, children, it's time that you all act like parakeets now. Ready? Oh, oh, oh.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Lots of
Joy!
Oh, oh, an aggressive parakeet. A parakeet with a gun. And in your face. That's pretty accurate. Okay, so the birds, they stay in the office or their cage. And so I really want to see if I can lure them into different parts of the house. Let's go. We've got to have the beloved treat stick. I've got a treat, Charlie. Good boy. Good boy. We got one foot up. Can we get two? Yeah, good boy. Charlie, you want some? Good boy, Charlie. Will y'all come with me? You come with me? Good boys. Good boys. Maybe not. Maybe not yet, huh? Charlie, try again. Come on, Charlie. Try again. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Charlie. Here, I'll move. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Yeah. That's good boys. Y'all are doing such a great job. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boys. Good boys. What is it, Charlie? Chappy, you want to walk with me? You want to walk with me, Chappy? Maybe? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Chappy. Look at you. Oh, we're out of the office. Good boy. Oh. What do you think? Who's in that mirror? Who's in that mirror? And back into the office he goes. I'm so proud of Chaplin. He was brave. Okay, so my boys want me to do my best parakeet impersonation. Ready? Here it is.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
Okay, if you liked that and you want to see more, then like and follow our channel.